In this tutorial, you will learn how to pair up to 6 total stations with your MC1 paving solution. This is useful for both leapfrog and as-built checks. The total stations need to be compatible with MC1. For this exercise, we'll use ICR80s. The total stations need to have the machine control app and a Bluetooth radio handle. Once you've set up your total stations, go to the Home menu in MC1. Press Positioning. Then press TPS and Communication Model. In this example, we'll select the CR30S modem and press OK. Next, press New, and a list of found total stations will appear with their serial numbers. Select your total stations and press Next. It is worth noting that you will need to disconnect any TPS controller or tablet that is still connected to the total station. Otherwise, you will not see it displayed on MC1. We recommend always renaming your total stations. Using color names makes navigating between them easier. Once you've renamed the total stations, press the flag to save. Then press OK and wait for the radio configuration to complete. Now go to your total stations and aim at the mast or masts, depending on the machine. When aiming is correct, start tracking the prisms on each total station. Then return to the MC1 panel. Go to the Arrange menu. Here you can see all the connected total stations and their assigned roles. If we had a single mast solution, we'd only be able to select active and spare. In this example, we're using a dual mast solution, so we'll select our green total station as primary, orange as secondary, and leave the rest as spares. Press OK to save and automatically lock the total stations to the prisms. The name and status of each total station is displayed in the positioning profiles. If you want to unpair a total station, return to the Total Station Profiles and deselect it. Press OK and wait for the radio configuration to complete. As you can see, the status of the blue total station has now changed. And that's it. You have now learned how to pair and unpair total stations to your MC1 paving solution. Thanks for watching.